Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flips Garage, whatever, the shed, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy Dave from Kentucky? I call him TP, the Tesla picker. He picking for a Tesla. Yeah. Well, I just want y'all to know this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I've been picking since 2002. And I just want to say, woo, that we picking too. Yeah. Anyway, y'all. Yeah, I just wanted to make a little quick video. You know, last week I go on this live show every Wednesday with Dee and Regina. Yeah, fundamentals of the hustle, whatever. And Regina Michelle. Those are the two people that's got a live show every Wednesday. You know, Derek and Renee and Regina. So last week we had a discussion about, you know, sometimes they had these games they play, and the game last week was who make the best fries. Who makes the best fries, right? And y'all know who it is. You can't. Ain't no way you can say no other one. You know what I'm saying? 5 guys make the best fries. They cut them right there. They big potatoes. They fresh. They cut them and they cook them. Then you get a real big bag of them. I get the medium every time I go in there. The medium, and it's 2 people can eat off of that. I don't never buy their burgers. They're expensive. I'm poor, so the burgers have to. You know, y'all got to buy the burgers. One time I seen the whole family up in that mug. You know what I'm saying? Woo, that's about $200. But anyway, I won a prize, and he called it a reseller's box. I don't know what the heck that means. A reseller's box. Anyway, we get ready to open that joint. You know what I'm saying? We get ready to open it and see what's in there. See what D, sent me. So we're going to open it at the same time. I wanted to open it last night on the show, but, he wouldn't let me on there. He hate because I get more likes than he do. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just joking. I got on there, but I got on there late. So, anyway, we get ready to open that joint, see what's in there. Let me grab it. We'll go to the box right here. We'll go to the box. He just sent it to me. Go to the box. Okay, we're finna open it, see what's in there. Yeah, I should have opened it. I should have opened it before I started recording. You know what I'm saying? But what the hell? I don't give a damn. Let me see what D gave us. What the hell? Hold on, y'all. Hey, y'all, I'm back. Anyway, here go the box. Right there. Let's turn you around so you can see. We go to the box right here. See what's in this joint. Got some paper. Yeah, he sent me some paper, y'all. Okay. Woo, we got a Star Wars character. It's a stormtrooper. Got that. I guess the reseller's box means you can resell this stuff. I don't know. Never heard of that. Got another stormtrooper. I mean, no, this is Luke Skywalker. Hold on, is this the original Star Wars? Yeah, it's 1995. This is the original Star Wars right here, y'all. Yeah, D, what the hell? Anyway, let me see what's in this package right here. What the hell is this? What the hell is that? An empty envelope. Oh, some stuff came out of there. Oh, these some bumper stickers. What the hell wrong with my camera? Okay, y'all, hold on a minute. These some bumper stickers right here. Cars Jr. Cars Jr. That's a radio station right here. Your hijackers, hitters. Woo, y'all don't know that. That's old school right there. Hot riders. I'm a hot rider. These hijacker hitters right here. The back of the day. I got 2 Go Navy, Fly Navies. Go Navy, Fly Navy. Sailors have more fun. I don't know nothing about that. Marines have more fun. I'm a Marine. We have more fun. You know what I'm saying? When guns are outlawed, only outlaws will have guns. I like that sticker because I'm a gun man. You know what I'm saying? I'm a gun guy. It's a whole lot, y'all. It's a whole lot of stickers right here. All these are old stickers. See, it's a whole lot of them. He gave a whole lot of them.
Sure, you got a gun.
Okay. Let me see what else in this box. See, there's still more stickers in there. See all these stickers? There's still more stickers. So. Okay, he gave me a tie. I don't wear ties though. But thanks, D. See what else he gave me. A watch. It's a Hulk watch. Oh, Star Trek gum. Another sticker. Let's see. Star Trek cards. Another sticker. So I don't know what that say. I'm gonna read it later. Let's see what else in there.
Honey, you got a copy?
Hell!
Right there,
More Star Trek cards.
Ourselves, how are you doing?
What the? The more stickers. Damn, he just gave a whole lot of stuff away. This is like a little rope neck chain right here, necklace. Got a baseball card in here. With a signature on it. Oh, that's Michael Jordan. That's a basketball card. Collector's edition. Upper Deck. Yeah. Some more stickers. Anyway, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all, you know, what's going on with that little box right there. And thanks, D. Yeah, I'm the champion. I won. I don't win nothing though. You know what I'm saying? But I won that night. Okay, y'all. Now let's talk about some business. My beard jacked. Let's talk about some business, y'all. You know, if you watch my videos, you know I like selling coffee mugs, right? But you gotta get the right ones. When I first started selling coffee mugs, I buy the funny ones, the ones that's funny and have something to say on them and stuff like that. So I ended up like with probably 2 tubs of coffee mugs, and half of them I ain't list yet. But I'm starting now just to get the name brand ones, the ones that's selling that's funny, and the ones with the name brands like Starbucks, Edible. See that edible cup right there? This is about $16. I paid $1 for it. See that $1? Some of these cups 50 cents, some of them $1. But the edible cups have to say edible on it, and it's got to be added edible logo on the back. Okay, and you know, Starbucks sell real good. Edible. What else? Some more stuff sell good too. Hold on, let me put y'all down right here. I'm gonna show y'all some stuff. I haven't brought everything with me, but it's some coffee cups out there that's worth some money. I buy Corningware. I buy Corningware cups. Some of their cups are worth hundreds of dollars. Corningware. This company right here is pretty good. It's Lori Vesey. These cups right here. Lori Vesey on the bottom. I leave them stickers on there. See them stickers, them scan stickers? I leave those on there. Because these are brand new cups. Now these cups, these sell for $19 right here. I paid $1 for them. With a sticker. See that $1? I paid $1 for it. These cups right here are $19. And some of them are worth more than $19. Okay? But it's Lori Vesey's. They make plates. She make and all of them is hand painted. They're hand painted cups. Here go another one. I drink because my children cry. They say funny stuff on them and they name brand. See that stick on there? I leave them on there. Hold on, put you down again. I wasn't prepared, y'all. I had to open these bags up. I keep them in bags. I keep them separate from each other so they won't break. I don't think I'm gonna list. I think I'm gonna send this one to Regina though. Regina Michelle. Y'all go watch her YouTube page. Regina Michelle. Okay, y'all. Okay. She make these wine glasses like this. All these hand painted. She would say, "Mommy sippy cup." All hand painted. I leave a sticker on there, and it say on the bottom, these are Lori Vesey, but it says something about mud on the bottom. I can't read it because it's not on there. I just look for Lori Vesey, but it's a statement on the bottom. See where it say, "Our name is Mud." All my stickers covering that up, but that's what it's saying on all her cups. My name is Mud. This right here is "I love my grandma." They got one that's it say "I love my dog." That's just like this. It say "I love my dog." They're selling for $39 on there. Come on, man. Why come grandma not selling for $39? I got it on there for $19.99. But somebody love they dog more than their grandma? Come on, man. It's $19. I paid $1 for these. I sell these all the time. Okay, this is my first time going to a thrift store and getting this many at one time. 2, 4. See, I got 6 of these. I never see 6 together. I usually find one here, one there. You know, I never find 6 of them together. But all of them $1 a piece. All of them selling for over $15. You could charge shipping for mugs. Shipping. And in some stores, these mugs be 50 cents. And like in this store right here that I got these from, if that tag wouldn't have been on there, they'd have been 50 cents a piece. With the tag on there, then that means they want more for it. If that tag wasn't on there, that dollar tag wasn't on there, they'd be 50 cents. So, anyway, y'all, I just want to make a quick video on stuff to look for, these cups and stuff to look for. The edible cups sell real good. It's about my 5th one that I'm selling. The Starbucks cups always sell good. Make sure you get the ones with the funny logo on them. Some of the standard logos sell for good money. You know, the green logo. But the ones that's red and got the funny colors in them, and the Christmas ones, and the ones that's made for cities, like I sold a couple of them, like North Carolina, Starbucks got one. Each city with Starbucks and got their own cups. I'm gonna put pictures on the screen for y'all to see. Got their own cups, and I sell those a lot, you know. But make sure you look through those cups. Don't pass nothing up. You know, some people scared to venture out and sell other stuff. I'm not. I got a variety of things that I sell. I sell a whole lot of stuff. I sell a variety of stuff. So I didn't used to do that. I used to just sell video games. That's it. But anyway, y'all, don't be afraid to look through those mugs. Well, I look at some of y'all videos and I'm be cringing because y'all pass by these mugs. I looked at Matt's video one time and he kept passing by this mug, this edible mug, the one that's like $34. And I kept saying, man, get that mug. So I even emailed him. I said, man, you should get that mug, man. You passed by that mug like 3 or 4 times. I don't remember if he got it or not. Then, you know, I sell a whole lot of butcher blocks, you know, the blocks with you keep the knives in, the knife blocks, stores blocks. A whole lot of them sell for good money. Cutco, Showtime, there's a whole lot of them sell for good money. I got one that's got 36 slots. I'm trying to collect all the knives for it so I can sell the whole thing with all the knives in the slot. Each slot got the name of the knife and it's a number on the knife. So it'd be like slicing knife number 10. You know, it's a name right by the slot, and the slot matches the knife. I sold one block for $60, just a block that didn't have no knives in it. But I'm trying to collect all these knives, so that'd probably be about 150, probably more than that with the knives. But anyway, y'all, I ain't gonna keep going on. I just want to open this surprise reseller box that I won on the show. Anyway, yeah, y'all. If y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. If y'all don't like it, I don't give a damn about that. You know, whatever. Subscribe, tell your buddies to subscribe. And yeah, how y'all like that debate? Yeah, but anyway, yeah, subscribe. That's all I got to say about that. And you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoy talking to y'all. You know, I enjoy, you know, making these videos. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make some videos going to these places. But anyway, until I learn how to do that, whatever. I'm gonna keep on doing what I do. And it's just one guy to keep on, you know, I hope you're watching this video. He keep telling me to quit talking about other resellers. Man, mind your own business, man. You know, when I do my intro, I think it's cold. I'm gonna keep doing it. I told him, he texted me, I forgot what he said, but he said something about quit bringing up other resellers. And I said, man, you do you, man. I said, I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. You do you. I like what I'm doing. I like what I say. I like my intro. Then I'm gonna keep on doing it. If you guys like my intro, give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment about it. But I'm gonna keep doing it. I don't care if y'all like it or not. I'm gonna keep on doing it. I think I'm gonna start adding more names if you keep complaining. My intro gonna be 20 minutes long. Whatever. Anyway, yeah, y'all. This is Kevin from St. Louis. I've been picking since 2002. I sell all kind of stuff. I'm not a full-time yet, but I want to be. Yeah, I want to be one day. But anyway, y'all, I just want to say that, you know, thanks for watching my video, and I want to say that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah, peace.